Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Harmony 1. The ticker is 1 versus USDT. I just want to say thank you for your support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. And please like this video and please continue to support CoinsKid community, okay? And if you're not involved in the Patreon, do definitely get involved in that community and take advantage of all the goodies in the Discord server there. All the links are on CoinsKid.com, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. What a community of people you are. So straight off the bat, you know, Harmony 1's breaking out as anticipated. This horizontal, I think I gave you this technical target just here. Where was it when we broke out of this particular level of resistance just there, and then we fell back to its support? I think it was around about the 30th of August, wasn't it? You know, and then we had that little correction there, wick down to support. Boom, boom, boom. You see it. Look at that. And people get shaken out, you know, but once you're breaking out of key levels of resistance, you're in technical targets to the upside. And I think right now that technical target from there to there, which I gave you when you broke out just there, has obviously been met, retracement to the all-time high. So you can see it's now in price discovery, okay? So it's marching its way through the fibs. I do think you're running to the 1272 at 35 cents, where you may hear level resistance start to retrace, come back down to the EMAs, like you have here, move impulsively and creatively through the fibs here and coming back down to the EMAs as support. So, you know, this is my technical target, the 1618 at 60 cents, and that's been my target since we bottomed out all the way down here at 4 cents way back in June. You know, I was able to lay down the fibs, and I said to you, potentially here, this is the low, come back up, make a higher low, start to create structure. Once you break out this horizontal, you're looking at that beautiful upside for Harmony 1 right there, and you know, it's on its way. So from that point right there, from that low, you know, potentially that's an increase of around about 1,213%, so around about a 12x, isn't it? You know, currently up from that low as well, you know, it's roughly up around 588%, and from this break of this resistance right here, you're currently up a whopping 200%. So it's amazing, you know, it's doing really, really well. So is the question is this 60 cents? Is this the end game for Harmony 1 there? You know, or is it just we're going to hit that, retrace, enter the bear, or are we going to get another extra sort of leg up? Okay, and we're looking at something like this where we broke out, we're into a level of resistance, call back for support, and continue. Because for me, I'm just going to lay down some Elliott wave theory right now for you, okay? So for me, this has always been my target. You got wave 1, you got wave 2, and you got wave 3, monster wave 3. You can see that's a monster wave 3, and right now this is 4, and we're putting in 5, and we've got the confirmation of 5 because we're breaking the 3 high. So this is the 5th wave. So let's say that we just go to there, okay? So for me, the 5th wave, obviously, as you're fully aware, is the second largest wave in Elliott wave theory. So theoretically, let's measure this wave, okay? So that wave was 1,167%, and what we'll do, we'll measure wave 3. So wave 3 started there, and it topped out at around about 5,847%, so around about 58x from there. And then obviously wave 1 from the capitulation low of Corona was around about a 10x as well. So that does make it the third longest wave. But for me, this particular event just here, okay, you potentially come up right here, retrace. I'm looking for a blow off top here for Harmony 1. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to lay down extra fibs, because this is where you do see yourself get to. So for me, the absolute nominal blow off top here is going to be around about $1.11. So I would anticipate that you're looking at Harmony 1 at least getting to $1 in this bull run before it does, you know, start to sort of print signals of a blow off top basically. And at that point, I do think that potentially you could be entering a bear market at that point, you know, because you've moved up impulsively. Now the question is, can this particular wavelength be as long as that? So like I said to you, the 5th wave can be as long as the 3rd wave. It usually is the second largest wave. You know, in some instances it can actually be the biggest wave, but for me this is your extended wave. Look at that, that is a massive parabolic move right there, and you're potentially putting your ABC, your 4-wave correction. You know, you're validating it because you've already broken out your wave 3 high, so this is your wave 5, okay? So for me, let's measure this wave and let's see if it is actually possible for Harmony 1 to reach those particular forecasts up there, if it is a possibility, okay, from this point. So right now, this particular wave to there was around about 1,223, so that makes it the second largest wave. That one is a 22x, and that one is a 35x, sorry. So it's still the second largest wave. So anything is possible. You know, we could actually go beyond the 2, and we could go to the 2.2 and put in quite a large extended fifth wave of this parabolic sort of mania blow off top that we do usually see towards the end of bull run. So, you know, this is my conservative forecast of 60 cents, which was laid down when we load down here and we've broken out of this. It's allowed me to sort of put the fibs on, basically. There's one other signal here that sort of, like I've shown you so many times, okay, so many times in so many videos, that when you create this signal, it's an amazing signal to lay down your fibs. It's confidence of the fact that you're breaking bullish, basically. After a correction, you know, you create your death cross, your sell and go to the beach signal, your capitulation. But when you start to low out and you're creating beautiful high lows, you create something called a buy and go to the beach signal just there, okay? Look, so for me, look at that amazing signal there. Buy and go to the beach. Since then, you fell into it and you've not looked back, and you're looking to get to our targets, because we're looking at the extension here. You've broken wave 3 and this is wave 5. So for me, your minimal target is 60 cents, you know, and if we do go into a mania rally phase, euphoria stage of this bull run, which the last 2 bull runs we have towards the end of the year right here, this is where you could come up to the $1 plus, and you know, the overextension of 2.272 at $1.71. So yeah, that's basically, you know, Harmony One. It's, for those people that bought in down here, you know, look at this. This is unbelievable what you're up so far. You know, 250. It's ridiculous. What is that? 27,104%. And if we do sort of go to these levels, even the 1618, you know, that's 49,000. That's absolutely insane. So that's basically Harmony One. You know, it's looking really good for continuation, providing you can keep breaking resistance, falling back to these EMAs as support, which you can see you are doing. You're slowly moving up the stairs. You're breaking out of this high, so you're putting in an impulsive wave to the 1618. You know, in your fifth wave. Where's the end of the fifth wave? So that's basically a little bit of technical analysis for you today on Harmony One. One thing to keep an eye on, though, I must admit, one thing to keep an eye on is the RSI. Okay, so take a look on the weekly RSI here. Okay, you can see that when the RSI comes up to this particular level, I mean, it did go there and came back and went back up. So for me, I would keep an eye on this particular level, 95.70 in the RSI. Might be a good area to sort of think about taking some profit off the table at that point, depending on where it is in the charts, okay? Because for me, you're very, very overbought, and you can see that was your peak before you rolled over, okay? So keep an eye on the RSI on the weekly time frame. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Harmony One. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you for your support. Bye-bye.